Once you've got access to your engine compartment, changing your spark plugs is fast and easy. Remove the wiring harness. Next, remove the ignition coil bolts. You may also want to loosen the bolts holding the wire brackets down for some extra wiggle room. Next, remove the ignition coils. You may have to wiggle those free. Using a 5/8 inch plug socket, loosen and remove the spark plugs. Insert your new plug into the plug socket and reinstall. Take extra precaution not to cross-thread or over-tighten. Reinstall the ignition coils. Reconnect the wiring harness and retighten the ignition coil bolts.